Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad 5, and in this video I will show you how to adjust screen brightness on this laptop. So you can either click on these three icons in the bottom right corner of your screen and move this slider to the left to decrease the level of the brightness and to the right to increase it. Or you can use a shortcuts or function keys on your laptop to do that. As you can see, right now we can't really do anything with our function keys because they are locked, and to unlock them we have to press F1 button with the escape button at the same time to turn the light off on the escape button. Once it's turned off, we can use the function keys, and function keys to decrease and increase brightness level are F5 and F6 respectively. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.